Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. Everyone, how are you all? Good evening, everyone. Right, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Right, everyone ready to crack? All of you, everyone get ready to crack. Right, everyone get ready to crack. Right, don't miss this, all of you. Right, don't miss this, everyone. Right. Whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, right, what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses. If you just say yes, now right, now this is my profile. You can follow my page, and my profile link is given just below the video. Follow my profile if you are still not following my profile. Okay, RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? And these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. And now coming to this ESC and GATE, right? GATE and ESC rankers summit will be there, right? Every weekend, April 9th onwards, that every weekend it will be there. Okay, don't miss this, right? Special series will be having, right? So that you will be getting some idea, right? Karupaya, good evening. Right, so these are all which one? Get ready for this last steps of your success, right? So here these are all which one? These are all the things you can say, right? These are all which one? This is things you can say, right? These are all interview guidance from top educators, right? These are all the faculty giving interview guidance on various subjects, right? Okay, on these dates, right? 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dates, okay? Don't miss this, all of you. Now on April 10th you will be having which one? This GATE and ESC Combat event at 11 AM you are having. Based on the rank you are getting, the scholarship you will be getting, right? And TCS NQT mock test will be there on which one? This April 9th 7 PM. Don't miss this, all of you, those who are preparing for TCS. And we have started recently that in Jaipur, right? In Jaipur we are going to start this launch this Unacademy store. So April 9th and 10th it will be available, right, for visit. So these are all which one? This GATE topics, right? These are all which one? This ESC 2021 civil engineering toppers from Unacademy. And these are all which one? And these are all which one? If you just observe that GATE 2022 toppers from Unacademy, you can say, right? Yes, now. Now, so this is the new batch is going to start. At what is the new batch going to start? That Mission ESC batch is going to start, right? That Mission ESC batch is going to start for ESC mains 2022 from April 11th, you can say. Yes, now. These are all the benefits of this iconic subscription along with the plus benefits. If you just observe. Now, those who are taking this iconic subscription, they will be getting which one? This notes, right? Unacademy is giving the notes now. So those notes will be sent as a physical copy to these people if they are subscribing for which one? This is the iconic subscription, right? Those who are having this iconic subscription only will get this picture stubs, okay? Right. Now Unacademy Lite subscription, it is just corresponding to which one? It is just corresponding to which one, all of you? It is just corresponding to this test series, right? If anybody is willing to subscribe only for the test series now, then this Unacademy Lite subscription will be useful, right? Like that, okay? So now coming to this, if you just observe this question, yesterday's question we were solving now. That linear measurements topic we were discussing or not? Yes, the questions PYQs on this linear measurements topic we were discussing. So what is it you can say? So this is your YouTube live class on which one? This is surveying all state PSC PYQs part 16 today. Okay. So this is linear measurements, basics got over, measurements, errors and correction, right? This topic only we are discussing in the linear measurements. Okay. Now select the answer for this question, everyone. This 140 question. Naveen, good evening. Select the answer for this question, all of you. Select answer for this question, everyone. Right answer for this. Yesterday I said I will be solving it today, na? Yes or no? Just to select the answer for this, all of you. Everyone select the answer. Someone? C. Naveen, Jagadishan, it is C. And any other answer from others? Any other answer from others, all of you? Right. So if we just observe this, right, Karupaya, yes, B is correct, right? Yes, it is B correct, right? If we just observe, a 20-meter chain was found to be 10 centimeter too long after chaining a distance of this 2000 meters, right? After chaining for a distance of this 2000 meters, it was found to be how much? It was found to be how much, you can say? It was found to be that 10 centimeter too long, right? And it was found to be 18 centimeter too long, right? It was found to be 18 centimeter too long at the end of the work after chaining a total distance of this 4000 meters. What is the true distance if the chain was correct before the commencement of work, right? So what is that? The chain length is correct before the commencement of which one? This work, you can say, right? Before the commencement of this work, the chain is correct, right? So if you just observe, what is that? You can say 20-meter chain, right? 2000 meters we are measuring now, is it no? 2000 meters we are measuring now, is it no? So what is that, you can say at this 2000 meters. So now what is that, tell me at the starting, right? Zero distance point to which one, right? Good evening. Zero distance point to which one? This is a 2000 distance point, right? Yeah, because also said C, right? Zero distance point to this 2000 distance point, right? What happens at this place? What is that? This is your 20 meter plus or minus 0 only will be there, right? But at this 2000 meters, what is it observed? It is 20 plus 10 centimeter, na? 20 meter plus this 10 centimeter, right? It's now, isn't it? And from 2000 to this 4000, if you just observe, right? 2000 to this 4000 meters, what is it observed? Yeah, 2000 to this 4000 meters, right? What is it? What is it observed here? This is your 20 plus 18 centimeters, right? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? This is a question given if you just observe, right? This is a question given if you just observe, right? This is a question given if you just observe, right? What is that? 0 to 2000 meters, right? What is it? What is it error you are having? At the starting 0 error, but by the time you are reaching, right? By the time, right? By the time you are reaching this 2000 meters, right? What is the error you are getting? You are getting an error of what? Right? You are getting an error of which one? This is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, right? So it is too long now, and by the end of this 4000 meters, it has become which one? This 220 meters plus which one? This 18 centimeter extra it has become, right? Now tell me, what is that average length of this chain for the first measurement, right? For first 2000, right? For this first, for the first 2000, right? For the first 2000 meters, what is that average length of this chain, you can say? What is that average chain length, all of you? Let us say for the first 2000 meters, right, what is that average chain length? In the starting it is 220 only, but in between what happened we don't know. So by the end it has become which one? This is 20.1 meter na. So 20 plus this 20.1 by 2 is equal to 20.05 meters, right? So and similarly for second 2000 meters, right? For second 2000 meters means what is that value? That average chain length L2 will be equal to how much? Average chain length L2 will be equal to how much? At the end of this 2000 meters, it is 20.1 na, plus at the end of this 4000 meters, how much it will be? 20.18 na, 20.18 divided by this 2, right? How much is that average length for the second measurement? What is the average length for the second measurement? Tell me, all of you. What is it average length for the second measurement? What is the average length? Tell me, second one. 20.14 meters na? Yes, this is your 20.14 meters, right? 20.14 meters, right? So we have to select, right? Why we are selecting this average errors? Why we are selecting this average errors, all of you? You have to be careful, right? Whenever this kind of question is given, what we need to do? When the error value exactly is not known to us, right? When the error value is exactly not known to us, we should get this value, we should take the error value as average, yes na? We should take the error as average or length of the chain as average, right? Like that, isn't it? Now tell me, what is it for first 2000 meter distance? Do you remember that L true divided by what? L true divided by this capital LC true equal to that L wrong distance wrong divided by this wrong length of this chain considered, that is wrong na? Length of this chain, that is considered wrong, right? So what is that L true we are getting if you just observe? That L true will be equal to that wrong distance, right? L wrong distance into that true chain length, right? LC true, right? True chain length divided by which one? This LC wrong, right? Wrong chain length considered if you just observe, right? Wrong chain length considered if you just observe, right? Like that. So one sec, I'll be just adding. So this formula is clear, everyone? We are using every day, almost every day we are solving one question on this, or not all of you? Every day we are solving one question almost on this concept, yes na? Every day almost one question we are solving on this concept if you just observe, right? So how much important it is you can understand now, yes na? Right. So now what is it you can say for the first, what is it you can say for the first 2000 meters, right? Where is it? One second. One second. Okay, this entire one has come wrongly by mistake. One sec. Instead of selecting new slide, I have selected duplicate slide. Okay, one sec. So now, so what is it you can say? So this is what you are having now. So for first 2000 meters, right? For which one? For 0 to 2000 meters, right? For 0 to 2000 meters, what is it you can say? 0 to 2000 meters, right? 0 to 2000 meters, right? What is it you are having if you just observe? That L1 true, right? That L1 true is what? That L1 true, right? That L1 true, right? This is your LC na? This is LC1, right? This is LC1, this is LC2. LC2, that is your which one? This is LC1, right? LC1 and LC2. You can take it as this LC1, this is your LC2. Now, so here for the first one, how much it comes to be then? L1 true is L wrong, that is your 2000 into what is that average length of this chain? 20.05 na? So 20.05 divided by which one? 20. How much it comes to be then? How much it comes to be then? This is your 2005 na? Plus for which one? For the next 2000 to 4000, right? For 2000 to this 4000, what is it you can having? That L2 true, right? What is that L2 true we are having if you just observe? This is your also 2000 distance na? 2000 into, in the second case, what is it you can say? This is your 20.14 na? So that is your 20.14 divided by this 20. It is equal to how much? 2014. Therefore, what is that total true distance? What is that total true distance? That total true distance will be equal to 2005 plus this 2014. So it is equal to that 4019. Is that clear, everyone, all of you? How to solve this kind of question? So 4019 is the answer, everyone. Is that clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Why we are solving like this? Why we are solving like this? Why we are solving like this? If you just observe, because the length of this chain will be same throughout. Yeah, length of this train, right? Length of this train, right? Length of this chain, not train. Length of this chain is the same throughout the measurement, or it is different? It is different. It is different, na? It is different, right? It is different at different locations. That is why we have to select the average, right? Is that clear? Right? Is that clear, everyone? Yes, na? Right. Now, shall I move to the next question, everyone? Error linearly varying we have to assume, right? But Karupaya, is there any variation mentioned? But is there any variation mentioned for the error? There is no variation of the error mentioned. Simply it is mentioned that before starting any measurement, zero error. By the end of this 2000 meters measurement, it is observed that there is an error of something in the chain is there, and by the end of this 4000 meters measurement, some other error is there, right? If nothing is mentioned, means we have to assume linear variation only, no, obviously. Yes, if nothing is mentioned, we have to assume this linear variation only, obviously, right? Like that, isn't it? Now this 141 question, try to solve this, all of you. This 141 question, try to solve, all of you. This 141 question, try to select the answer of you. I'm waiting for your response. Once it is done, tell me. C. Karupaya said C. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? Only Karupaya said, others are not there. Others went out of life. Vikas also said C. Any other answer by others? Abhishek said B. Naveen said C. Okay, we'll just check it, right? What is that you can say here? The downhill end of a 30-meter tape is held 8 centimeter too low. What is the horizontal distance measured if you just observe, right? What is the horizontal distance measured if you just observe, right? Downhill, right? This is your downward hill portion. So this is your downward hill portion. And what is that you can say? This is your which one? This is your which one? This L, L measured. This is your L measured, you can say, right? This is your L measured, you can say, right? Because of this slope, what happens, right? Because of this slope, right? 8 centimeter too low. So this is your 8 centimeter too low, right? What is that? This H will be equal to that 8 centimeter, 80 centimeter, right? This H will be equal to this 80 centimeter if you just observe, right? How can you get this one then? If you just observe, that is your 8 centimeter, right? And you are asked to identify this X value now. How can you identify this X value then? How can you identify this X value then? So that corrected length, right? That true length will be equal to, right? Or true or horizontal, right? That true distance or this horizontal distance is equal to, that true distance or this horizontal distance is equal to that 30 minus, right? What is that? 30 minus this correction for slope now, or L minus this correction for slope now? Yes. What is the correction for slope? CS we are having, if you just observe, that H square by this 2L. What is the H? You can say 80 centimeter difference na. So 80 centimeter means 0.8 meters na. 0.8 meters square divided by this 2 times what is it? L? 30. Tell me what is the CS? Yes, L minus slope correction, right? How much it comes to be, everyone? What is it? CS? Anyone tell me? CS is what? 0.01066 meters, right? Therefore, what is that L horizontal? Therefore, that L horizontal is equal to which one? This 30 minus 0.01066, right? It is equal to how much you are getting? 29 point this, how much? 29 point this 9733 meters we are getting na. 29 point this 98 something or 9893, sorry, 9893, right? 9893 we are getting na. 9893 we are getting, right? 28 point this 9893 means which option it will be? Option B or option C? 29 point this 98933 na. 29 point this 98933. So which option it will be? It is your option C, correct, right? Option C represented is correct, right? C is B is represented below and C is represented above, if you just observe, right, like that, isn't it? Now 142 question, select the answer. Select the answer. 142 question. Select the answer for this 142 question, everyone. One 142B. Naveen Karpaya said B. Is it so? Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others? Right? Should I solve? Should I solve all of you? Yes. In a survey line OA, right? This is your O and this is your A, right? That survey line OA crosses a river, right? This OA line is crossing that river, right? This is your river na. So survey line is crossing that river OA, right? Avishing also said B. We'll just check it, right? A line OP runs, right? This is a line OP is running perpendicular to this survey line and having a length of 300 meters, right? What is that OP length? You can say that OP length is equal to that 300 meters, right? Another line PA is set at right angles to this PB, right? So that PA will be set at right angles to this PB, right? PA and PB are perpendicular to each other, na? So this is your 90 degrees, okay, right? This angle between angle between this PA line and this PB line is which one? This 90 degrees, okay, right? The point B lies on survey line, right? The point B is lying on survey line, extension of this AO at a distance of this 50 meters from O, right? 50 meters from this O, you can say, right? Then compute that OA distance, right? How can you compute this OA distance? If you just observe, if you consider this a triangle, right? Let us say this is OA will be X. Let us just consider this OA distance as which one? This X distance, let us, right? So let this OA will be equal to which one? This X, right? Let OA will be equal to which one? This X, right? Now what is that from triangle? Which triangle? OPB, right? That OPB triangle, if you just observe, right? OPB triangle, if you just observe, what is that you can get it from this OPB triangle? This is your 300 meters. This is your 90 degrees na. This is your O. This is your P. This is your B. And what is this one? This is your 50 meter distance na. Now tell me, what is that BP you are getting if you just observe? That BP or PB is equal to how much? Under root which one? That 300 square plus this 50 square na. What is that under root 300 square plus this 50 square? How much is that BP? Tell me everyone. How much is that BP? Everyone tell me. How much? Root over 92500. What is that value I am asking? What is that value I am asking? Okay, I am asking that value. So what is that? You can say that, okay. How much it will be? Okay, let us say it will be 50 root 37, just for an example. 50 root 37 under root which one? This is 92500. Okay, under root that 92500, let us say, right? Under root that 92500, let us say, right? That is your BP. And from this next triangle, right? And from this which triangle you can get it? From this triangle OAP, right? From this triangle OAP, what is it you can get it? How much you are getting? Why? What is that 15,000 you are getting, Anjanelu? 304.138 or 301.138? 304.138, right? 304.138 if you just observe. So that let us say that BP will be equal to what? 304 point, right? 304 point which one? This 138 you can say, right? BP is equal to 304 point this 138 meters, right? Now from another triangle if you just observe, what is the triangle you can say if you just observe? From this triangle AOP, how it is 15,000? No. BP, how it is 15,000? Just to check it. Under root 300 square plus under root 50 square. How it will become 15,000? Anjanelu. Under root, right? Under root which one? This 300 square plus this 50 square. Under root 300 square plus this 50 square is what? So check Anjanelu. This one under root 300 square plus this 50 square is what? 304.138, right? You have to check it. Okay. Don't miss this, right? You have to check it, right? Now, and the next triangle, right? What is the next triangle? Triangle OAP. That triangle OAP, right? What is the triangle OAP? Right? This is your triangle OAP. If you just observe, this is your O, this is your A, and this is your P. And let us say this is your X. And what is this distance? OP is equal to 300 meters now. OP is equal to 300 meters. And do you know this AP value? Do you know this AP value? We don't know this AP value, right? What is the AP value? You can say that AP value is equal to under root that X square plus this 300 square. Is not? Under root that X square plus this 300 square, right? And from another triangle, right? And from this triangle ABP. And from which triangle ABP, right? This is your triangle ABP, right? Triangle ABP if you just observe, right? Can we say that this AP will be equal to ABP if you just observe? What is that ABP? ABP is the triangle like this, na? This is your 90 degree, na? This is your A. What is this one? This is your B. This is your P, right? So what is that you are having if you just say this is your O, na? So now what is that AP you can get it here? That AP will be equal to what is that? That hypotenuse, right? Under root that AB square minus which one? This BP square. Under root AB square minus this BP square if you just right? Under root AB square minus this BP square, right? Here what is that AP square? You can say AP square is equal to that X square plus this 300 square. Here also just to check it, what is that AP square if you just say? AP square equal to that AB square minus this BP square. Now from this equation number 1, right? What is the AP square we can write? We can write this as this X square plus this 300 square, na? X square plus this 300 square, left hand side AP square equal to what is the AB square if you just observe? AB is nothing but your, this is your 50, this is your X, na? So what is the AB you can say? AB is nothing but your X plus 50, right? X plus 50 whole square minus what is the BP? BP is nothing but your which one? What is the BP? 304.138, na? So 304.138 square Then simplify this. What is it you are getting? X square plus this 300 square is equal to, what is it? A plus b whole square means x square plus 50 square plus 2 into 50 into x. 2 into 50 into x, right? 2 into 50 into x, na? 2 into 50 into x minus 304.138 square. So this implies you will be getting the value of x, right? What is the value of the x you are getting? Just calculate this and tell me, all of you. What is the value of the x? Everyone tell me. $1800. Everybody got the same answer? Everybody got the same answer? So how much it comes to be? That 1800 meters it comes to be, na? So 1800 meters it comes to be, right? 1800 meters means which option it will be? Option A will be the correct option, na? 1800 meters means this option A could be the correct one, right? This option A could be the correct one if you just observe, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Now it's 143. Select the answer for this 143 question of you. It is simple question only, na? Yeah, Diksha, good evening. One 143A. Karpaya, any other answer by others? Abhishek also said A. Naveen also said A. So what is it you can say? The length of a line was measured with a 20-meter chain found to be 530 meters. The chain was 0.04 meters too long, right? Too long. Then the true length is, right? What is that? L true you can say? That true length is equal to which one? This L wrong. Into what is that? That LC. That LC which one? This is LC true divided by which one? This is LC wrong. So what is that? Wrong length, wrong distance you are measuring? That 530 meters is the wrong distance now. What is the true length of this chain? So what is the wrong length of the chain means? We are assuming it as 20 meters. That is wrong now. So what is that? 0.04 meters too long means 20.04 meters, right? How much it comes to be? It will be more than this 530, right? More than 530 means only one option. How much it comes to be there? That 531.06 meters, right? Option A will be the correct one, na? Yes, option A will be the correct one, right? Like that. Now try to select the answer for this 144 question. Clear, right, everyone? This question 143. Yes, I will be moving on to the next question 144. Try to select this answer for this 144. Select the answer for this 144. Once done, tell me. One 144C. Everybody got the same answer? Karupaya said C. And any other answer by others? Abhi Singh also said C. Any other answer? Any other answer by others, all of you? The area of this plot of land was found to be 1000 meters square according to a scale mentioned on the plan. It was also mentioned that a 20 meter chain used for measuring the plot was 1 meter too long, right? It was which one? This 1 meter too long, na? It was 1 meter too long. The actual area of this plot is, right? What is that you can say? That area true, right? That true area, right? Same formula, right? Diksha, same formula only. What is that? True area in place of this length, you just consider this area. True area is equal to which one? This wrong area. True area is equal to that wrong area into which one? This LC, length of this chain true value divided by this length of this chain designated or wrong value divided by length of this chain true value divided by this length of this chain designated value, right? Designated or wrong value, right? Designated. Square we have to apply, that's it, right? That's it. We have to just apply square. If it is distance, distance equal to distance into the distance by distance. But if it is an area, area equal to area into that ratio of lengths square, you can say, right? What is that? You can say that 1000 meter square na into what is the LC true? It was found to be 1 centimeter long na. 1 centimeter long means 21 divided by this designated or wrong length is how much? 20 square, right? So LC designated, right? What is that? LC designated is nothing but your, is that clear now, Diksha? LC designated is nothing but your LC wrong. Both are same. Because we are telling it as 20 meter, but it is 20 meter, right? It is not 20 meter. It is not 20 meter, right? Now tell me, what is that a true area? How many meter square is that a true area we are having, everyone? Scale is not there, Karpaya. Scale is not there. There is no scale used here. You have to be careful, right? There is no scale used here. There is no scale used here. You have to be careful, right? Don't mix the first chapter concept and this second chapter concept, right? Don't mix, Karpaya. First chapter concept is wrong scale, correct scale. But in the linear measurement, we do not come across any scale here, okay? Scale is different, okay? You have to be careful, right? Scale is different, okay? It is a tape or chain we have to use, right? So correct length of this chain divided by this wrong length of this chain square into that wrong area, okay? Correct length of this chain by wrong length of this chain, right? Wrong length of this chain or measure designated length of this chain, okay? You have to be careful. How much it comes to be? 1102.5 meter square. Option C will be the correct one, huh? Okay, right. Now 145. Select the answer, everyone. One 45 question. $1.19.05 means option D, Karpaya. Is it so? Any other answer by others? Yeah, Vikas, option D. And others? The slope of a ground is, right, this is 145th question, right? The slope of this ground is 3 degree, then the gradient can be represented as, right? What is the gradient you can say? So the gradient is what? What is it you can say? That h by b, na? This angle is your 3 degree, right? That is your h, you can say. This is your L, you can say, right? What is the gradient you can say? This question you cannot solve without calci, okay? This question you cannot solve without calci. Karpaya, this question you cannot solve without calci. Only the thing is you have to remember this sine 1 degree, 2 degree up to 5 degree. Yes, na? In your childhood you remember that sine, cosine values, tan values up to this 5 degree, na? Similarly you have to remember this, okay? Gradient is equal to this h by L is equal to, what is that you can say, that tan theta. What is that? That tan, that gradient is equal to how much? Tan 3 degree. Tan 3 degree, right? What is that tan 3 degree you are having? Sorry, tan 3 degree. Tan 3 degree means how much you are getting? 0.05241 you are getting, na? 0.05241 you are getting. That 0.05241 is nothing but your 1 by 19.08, right? 1 by 19.08. Approximately we can take it as this 1 by 19, right? 1 by 19 means which option is correct? Option D is correct now. 1 is to 19. Yes, absolutely right. So now shall I move to the next question? Yeah, 1.05241 is nothing but your 1 by 19.08, absolutely. Yes, na? In the form of ratio if you just said, right? Now select this next answer, 146th question. So this is the last question for today we'll solve, right? Yeah, that is what Anjanelu has said, right? You have to remember this tan, cosine, tan, sine, cos values for small degrees, like 2 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, you have to remember, okay? In your childhood, you might have remembered those values, na? Here also you try to remember. Or you remember that expansion formula for this sin x and cos x and tan x are available, na? Then you can use that also. Select the answer for this 146th question, last question for today. B, 146, A or B? Anjaneli said A, Vikas said B, Diksha said A, Karpaya said A, Avishing said A. The error in the measured length due to sag of a chain or a tape is known as, right? Sag of a chain or tape, right? What is the sag of a chain or tape? So what is that original? You can say because of this sag it will be subjected like this, na? Because of this sag it will be subjected like this, right? Originally if it is straight, what happens? If it is straight it would be like this, right? Yeah, it would be like this if it is straight. It's not, if it is straight it would be like this, right? What is that? This is your 30 meter, let us say, and this is your which one? This is 29 meter if you just observe it, isn't it? So now tell me, what is that you can say? What is that a designated value? What is that a designated value? The designated value is equal to that 30 meters. What is that actual value if you just observe? That actual value will be which one? This is 29 meter, right? So instead of representing the 29 meter, we are representing more than 29, right? So more than the actual value, right? Designated or reported is more than, right? Reported, right? What is that? Reported or designated, right? Reported or designated, both are same, no? Reported is more than actual, then it is positive error or negative error. Then it will be obviously this positive error, no? That will be obviously this positive error occurs, right? Isn't it? Then it will be obviously this positive error occurs, right? Is it instrumental related? No, because we are not holding the chain straight, it is happening. Is it negative error? No. Is it a compensating error? No. It is a cumulative error. What is the meaning of cumulative error? It will be added, you can write like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubts in our discussion till now? If no doubts, I'll close the session, right? If no doubts, I'll close the session, right? Shall I close the session? If no doubts, I'll close the session. Right, shall I, everyone? Okay, I'll close the session.